Hi there, welcome back to another video. My name is Talented Read, and today's video I have a 2010 Audi A6. So someone asked me how to open their electronics glove compartment or glove box, which is this right here. So this is the button that you use to open it. So if I press it, it opens just like this, guys. So I'm going to show you how to open it manually with just a pen. So as you can see, when you press it, you go in and out. So these are what lock the door. These two pieces right here. That's the button right here, guys. This one with the arrow down. So I'm going to show you how to open it with just a pen. As you can see, just a simple pen right here. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna press against right here. See where the split is. Now press, and the cover will come off just like this, guys. And right here, you see this hole right here, guys. This hole. You're gonna just push the pen right here and open just like this. Simple and easy, guys. Very simple and easy. So I'm going to put on the cover. I also have the fuse box there, guys. And there we go. So if you find this video useful, guys, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you all for watching. Catch you another time. Bye.